What's going on, guys? Carl Obama here. So today I'm gonna give you the exact blueprint how to grow on TikTok. No bullshit, nothing. Exact step by step, and I guarantee you, you will grow on TikTok. You ready? Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. The first step is, and you've heard a lot, find and think of your niche. What I mean by niche is, are you gonna make funny videos, dance videos, satisfying videos? Find a niche before starting making videos. A lot of mistakes that I've seen on TikTok is people just posting random videos. They're not getting a lot of views. Why? Because you're showing TikTok, okay, I'm doing this type of videos, so you are recognized in TikTok's algorithm in this type of videos. Then you make another type of video, and what happens? Your account goes downhill. Think of a niche, write it down, think. It can be anything. Relationships, dance videos, funny videos, anything. Think of a niche. Pause the video now and write down your niche. Write it down, write it on a piece of paper. Trust me, write it down. You ready? You got your niche? Now step number 2 is actually creating the video. Now this is a very important part. Firstly, the first 3 seconds of your video, it has to have a hook. Now Carlo, what do you mean by hook? You can't start a video like, yeah, okay, so this is the 3 types of, or let's dance, like it. No one's gonna watch your video. Your video's not gonna do well. Why? You have no hook. Start off by, let's say, just hold on for a while. Just give me this 10 seconds. Something unique that people will actually stay on your video for the first 3 seconds. Because the first 3 seconds we call the breakthrough second. Which means after that 3 seconds, I can guarantee you that people will watch your video. Now, after the hook, for the rest of the video, have a personality. You can't make, hold on, I want to show you something. And then in the rest of the video, so this is what I created. I created this thing with my hands. No one cares. The people are going to scroll and I can be like, no, I don't want to watch this. Show personality. Except if you do like satisfying videos where you don't show your face. But if you show your face, have a personality. Smile. People like personalities. Happy, be happy. Show them, listen here, I want to watch my video. It's a good video. You're going to benefit out of it. Show a personality, trust me. And number one thing why people don't want to show personality is because they are scared of what other people are going to think of them. Get your mindset. Don't worry what other people think. If you want to be crazy, be crazy. You can get more views than just, oh no, I'm scared what the people's going to think. So let's just sit around here and let's just make the video. Have a personality. Show them. Hello guys, I'm here. I want to show you this video, so watch this video with me and let's go. Show them, listen here, I'm interested to say you watch my video, so watch my video. The third step creating a video after personality is give value. Show the people, I am showing you this video. You're lucky to see my video. Why? Because I'm going to give you some kind of value. Think what value you can give. There is plenty, millions and millions of values you can give people in videos. And people don't take advantage of that. Give value. And here's a hack. Here's one of the hacks I'm going to give you. In your last 3 seconds of your video, tell them, click the plus sign to see more. Followers after a video will benefit your video, benefit your account a long time. So let people click. Tell them. People like to hear stuff. So tell them, listen here, click the plus sign to see more. Click that plus sign over there, click it. Now thirdly, so Carlo, how many times must I post a day? Exactly 4 to 6 times daily. Not 3, not 2, not 1, not 7, not 8. 4 times, 5 times, or 6 times. Nothing else. The algorithm now at this moment and probably for the rest of 2021 is posting 4 to 6 times. Now the metrics you want to hit. If you create a video that's 9 to 11 seconds, you have to have 100% watch time. You need to get 100% watch time. Not 99, not 95, 100%. Now 15 to 30 seconds, same principle, 80% watch time. 15 to 30 seconds, 60% watch time. That's the metrics you want to hit. You have to hit it. If you don't hit it, that's fine. You're not going to hit it maybe the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 10th time, just improve on every video. Show more personality, or maybe get a better hook or something. But you have to figure that out yourself. Now the 4th thing, Carlo, when is the best time to post on TikTok? The times I'm going to give you now is your location. If you live in South Africa, this is your time. If you live in America, this is your time. This is not a global time or whatever. This is your time. So 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Why? That is, people don't wake up. Children don't wake up at 8, 7 o'clock in the morning, you know, on holidays or whatever. They sleep late. 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, your first time. Second time is 2 to 4 p.m. Crucial time to post. You have to post 2 to 4 p.m. And then after 7 p.m. That's when everyone is done with dinner. They're lying in bed, they're chilling. Where are they? On social media. Which means the possibility of them seeing your video is very high. So 10 to 12, 2 to 4, after 7, every day. Now one more thing I want to say. If you post at 10 a.m, don't post a video directly after that. Wait at least between your videos at least 30 minutes to an hour, at least. Because TikTok first has to see if your video is going to do well and if it's going to be on the For You page, because that's where you guys want to be, on the For You page. So give it a time first. After an hour, you can post another one. But do not post directly after each other. It's going to hurt your account. You think you're doing good, but your account's going to go down and you're not going to get any views, and that is the reason. And fifthly, this is by far the most important, hashtags. You hear of other people saying hashtags doesn't matter, hashtag that, hashtags do matter. Now this is, don't do anything else. Trust me, do this, and you'll see what's going to happen. This is the hashtags you have to use on every single post you post. Firstly, hashtag FYP. Not hashtag for you or hashtag for you page. Hashtag FYP. Then your second hashtag must be 3 hashtags in your niche. Now what I mean is, if you're in the comedy niche and you're making pranks, firstly FYP, comedy, hashtag funny, hashtag meme. That is, relationships is like hashtag FYP, hashtag relationships, hashtag advice, hashtag dating. That is what you want to use. And then in the last 2 hashtags, that is only if it's face to face. If you show your face in a video, you have to use, and it's a hack, I promise you this is a big hack, use hashtag guy and hashtag girl. Done. That is all. That's all you need to know. That is no complications, no nothing. That is all that TikTok wants. If you follow all these steps, step by step, every single day, guarantee you are gonna grow on TikTok. I know it. And then another thing, never, ever delete or private a video. Never. That's gonna hurt your account. It's gonna show TikTok, listen here, my content isn't good, so I'm gonna rather delete my video. And then what's gonna happen with your future videos? It's not gonna be on the For You page. No one's gonna see it. Why? Because you show TikTok, listen here, my account is not good, I'm not making good content. So never ever delete or private one of your videos. And another life hack, use trending sounds. Go onto the trending sounds, look what's trending, mute the sound, just mute it after the video. Doesn't have to play, but it is there. It will help your video benefit, give you more views, help you go even more viral. And the last one I'll talk about, be consistent. You're not gonna go viral all of a sudden, just overnight. It can happen. That's a power of TikTok. You can post your first video and get 1 million views, get 10 million views, 20 million views. That is possible. But if you post every single day at 10 a.m, post in 10 a.m. Don't post, tomorrow I'll post at 11ish, like, you know. Post every day the same times, every single day. 10 to 12, 2 to 4, after 7. Exactly the times you're posting the whole time. It's going to benefit your account. And yeah, that is it. As simple as that. No complications. Don't worry about other videos, what other people's thinking. This is a blueprint. This is exactly what works. I guarantee you will grow. If you found this video valuable, just give a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's grow.